Today I'm working on a 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. And what I'm going to be doing today, I am going to be replacing one of the window washer fluid pump. This 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan has two window washer fluid pump. One for the rear and one for the back. The one I'm going to be replacing is the one from the front. The first thing we have to do is I removed the wheel. You don't have to remove the wheel, but I did it just for video purpose. We're going to remove these three screws here. It's three of them. 1, 2, 3. I already removed them. They are Phillips screws. So all you need is a Phillips screwdriver and remove 1, 2, and 3. Once you remove that, you want to take the splash shield and move it to the side. You don't have to remove it. You can actually replace it. You can actually replace the pump without taking this off, just moving it to the side. So once you remove the screws, all you have to do is just take the splash shield, just gotta jug it a little bit, and there you go. And all you have to do is just replace it from right there. Now that we moved the splash shield to the side, what we have to do is disconnect this wire harness out of here. But before that, you want to make sure you put a bucket under for you could get the window washer fluid that falls out. So the wire harness is right here, and it has this black piece. I'm going to use the screwdriver and I'm going to push it back. And once I push it back, I take the wire harness and I should be able to pull it down to disconnect it. And there it goes. So now I'm going to take the pump, I'm going to twist it just to bring it out. Just gotta keep wiggling it until it comes out. Oh, and there it goes. That's the reason why you need a jug. Okay, so now we gotta disconnect it from the hose, and it looks like it's been there a long time. So we're gonna have to wiggle it to get it out. Let's see. There he goes. So it has to be disconnected from here. So let's get our new one. This is how our new one looks. This is how our new one looks right here. Has the pump and this wire. So we're going to connect this wire in here. There it goes, connected. Now it has this new washer here, rubber piece that will go in here. But that one looks good, so I'm just going to keep that one. I'm just going to keep it. I'm not going to change it. Let me see. Yeah, it looks good. If yours doesn't look good, all you got to do is just take it out and just push it in. So we're going to take that hose that came out, this one, the hose that came out, and we're going to connect it right in here where this little piece is at. So it came out this way. Yep, this is the way it came out. So we're going to take the hose, connect it. It's all the way in. And now we ought to do is just push this right in. Oh boy. There it goes. So now we'll take this wire harness. It's a little different than the other one. The other one was connecting right in. We take the wire harness and connect it. And all we have to do is just take it and connect it just like this. There it goes. So it's connected. So we see it's connected. So now let's fill it up and let's see if it's working. Working like a charm. All we got left to do now is put the splash shield back, and all we have to do is just put the 3 screws that go here, the three Phillips screws. In case you need the part number, here we go. So let's put the splash shield back, and all we have to do is just grab it, push it in. Take your Phillips screws and start putting them back in. So here we go. We just replaced the windshield washer fluid pump on this 1998 Dodge Grand Caravan. So once again, this is Non-Mechanic. If you have any comments or questions, please post them down below or contact me on nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. That is nonmechanic101@yahoo.com. And remember, if Non-Mechanic can do it, you can do it. Later.